Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my 1977 Honda CVCC. So this car, I actually traded a guy a riding lawnmower for, so it's not in the best shape, but you can't really pass up a deal when you get it that good. So I got this. This was kind of before I made a YouTube channel, but so I didn't get some coverage of what I've done to it so far, but you can see it's pretty rough. I'm not sure if you guys can tell from how it sits right now, but this car's actually been lowered. I don't know if that shows it. You can tell though when it's sitting next to my 75 Civic, this thing's a lot lower. So it doesn't have BC coilovers on it, but somebody actually just cut the springs on it all the way around. So this thing's, I mean, you can see how low it is. It's like a couple inches off the ground. So that's pretty fun. This is just gonna be a kind of rat rod custom build. Just something fun to drive around in the neighborhood. So I haven't done a ton to it. I tried to get it running. Someone had the wrong carburetor on it. They had a 1200 carburetor on it and not the CVCC one, so it just wouldn't run. I got it to run, but it didn't have any power or anything, so I put a CVCC carburetor on it and it will start up and run for probably about 5 seconds, but then if you don't give it gas, it just dies. So I think what I'm gonna do is take that off. I'm gonna get the Weber 3236. They make an adapter plate for it, and I'm gonna get that mounted on. I think that will just be the easiest, and gotta work on those hinges down there. So that's the engine. Yeah, the carburetor is like brand new. I had a guy rebuild it for me, and I don't know, it just doesn't seem to be working. So I'm gonna get that pulled off. I got a Weber, got the adapter plate, so I'll be doing another video on that, seeing how that works. I've seen other people who've done the conversion and they say it works fine. So it's got this cool roof rack on it. I think that was just somebody added that on at some point. Missing that cover right there that covers that up. It's been off the road since 2010. This is a 77, so this is like the last year that the tail lights are one color. In 78 and 79, I think, they changed it, and like this top one was like orange, so that's cool. It does have some rust, you can see that's pretty bad down there. We might try to cut some of that out and patch it, but the paint's pretty good. I actually buffed, you can see where I kind of buffed it out. I just did a quick job on it, but I mean the paint's pretty nice other than the rust. I'm gonna have to go back through. You can kind of see that's what it looked like when I got it, and it's got some shine to it. It was a red car at one point. I believe it got repainted. Now this is like the worst of it, you can see. right up in there, that's all rusted out. Luckily I have another trunk lid that we can replace that with, and that's pretty bad. They all rust back here because that seal what's left of that seal doesn't seal right up here. This is the one that prevents the water from coming in, and it's just shot, so it's been leaking a lot. So that's too bad. We're gonna have to try to repair that. Inside, super worn. I actually just put this pad down because the seat's so bad, but so I think that's the original paint. It's pretty nice. So let's see. I added this little tachometer in here. This is it says 4-speed, but somebody actually put a 5-speed transmission in it. So that's pretty sweet. I'm gonna have to get a new knob, but pretty simple. You got your choke right here. Yeah, no deluxe gauges. So that's why I added the tachometer. Pretty simple. It's out of gear. Ah, the battery's dead. Dang. Yep. It's dead. That's too bad. I just wanted to make this video to just show you guys this car and what the plans are for it for the future. I haven't had a CVCC before. This is a 1500 CVCC. I've had a 1200. I have two 1200s, but so I thought this would be fun. But these carburetors have a bunch of vacuum hoses and stuff. This is the emission setup. So I think this is gonna do it for this video. Comment if you have any questions. I will be doing another video on it, hopefully to get it running, get the Weber on there, and see if it'll start up, and hopefully take it for a first drive. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and until the next one, see you guys.